Good evening to once again to everyone, and we are delighted to have Mr. Sanjay Singh. Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh, first of all, let me thank him more than what we should, because he's been asked to come to the Cabinet Secretary's office, and he just excused himself for 10 minutes to be with us, because I said, sir, it's your state. So Sanjay Kumar Singh ji is a 2007 batch IAS officer, Indian Administrative Officer. He's graduate in sociology. He's currently the state project director for the Bihar Education Project, which is an initiative dedicated to achieving universal elementary education in the state of Bihar. He has been the SDO at Darbhanga, Deputy Development Commissioner at the West Champaran, and Collector for Shekhipura. Prior to taking over his current post, he was Principal Secretary in the Technical Education Department. So welcome, Sanjay ji. I hope you were able to join, and over to you. He's been there. He just called me.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you for the introduction. Just there is one error perhaps in our sheet that I have never been. I'm still not a principal secretary, but perhaps
I think there are two Sanjay, so I think I noted from there. Maybe
he's somebody from Madhya Pradesh cadre. So anyway, so I am Sanjay Singh. I am a state project director, Bihar Education Project Council, which looks after the implementation of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. And thank you, Sapna ma'am, for inviting me. I could see one familiar face, perhaps Mr. Shamail Ahmad, who is chairman of Private School Association in Bihar, is perhaps one of the participants of this meeting. So thank you everyone, and
welcome, sir.
I just take one call, a very important call coming to me, very important call.
I think Sanjay will be joining us again.
Actually, अभी कैबिनेट फॉर्म हुआ है ना, नए मिनिस्टर।
तो कल प्रेम प्रकाश या कोई बोल सकते हैं जब तक नहीं।
एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर विजय चौधरी जी।
Yeah.
Okay. So perhaps.
Yeah, he's joined.
Yes, he's joined us again. Yes.
I mean, sorry for the interruption. Perhaps this will be the last one. So, yes, ma'am. So, because I have not been in the meeting, so I do not know what was going on, and what was the running theme, other than that it is about new education policy. So I don't think we'll be elucidating upon what is there in the new education policy. I mean, those who are from this domain already know that the focus is on preschooling, foundational learning, literacy and numeracy. It is about mainstreaming of out school children. It is about professionalizing the teacher cadre and streamlining their appointment and deployment procedures. It is about integrating the graduate courses with teacher education for those who want to be teachers and teacher educators. It is about enlarging the canvas of higher education in terms of having competent degree colleges who can grant degrees in their own name and all that. Now, having said that, I hope that we have a very tall order at our hands. The policy is very grand, and it shows us a grand vision, but then such grand is the vision that implementation is really a huge challenge for all of us, and we have to stand up to it. We have to pull up our socks, and we have to do many things at many fronts at the same time. These are these general things, and in Bihar, we are trying to bring in a kind of functional linkage between the existing Anganwadi centers and our primary schools, so that at government level we can start some kind of good preschooling, because it already exists in private schools, and parents who can afford are sending their children to preschools. But as far as government is concerned, our children are going to Anganwadi centers, which has nutrition as its focus. Teaching, learning becomes, I mean, a far secondary thing. Therefore, we are in a process of bringing in functional integration between our schools and our Anganwadi centers. That is one. And this lockdown has seen a great number of dropouts. Perhaps we do not know exactly how many children, might have lagged behind and in the danger of dropping out. And those who have migrated from outside to Bihar, we have in fact spotted some 58,000 children to get them admitted in our system, in our schools, in addition to admitting something around 14 lakhs in last year, July and August. So we are awake to the challenges. They are huge order. Our SCRTs, they are spending a lot of time in redevising the curricula. We are waiting for the NCF from the NCRT, and will be accordingly drafting our BCF, that is Bihar Curriculum Framework. But we are in the process of redevising our textbooks. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes,
sir, we
yes,
can
very
hear
much, very much.
Okay,
We are listening to you.
This lockdown has seen many things, and I have the advantage of seeing the lockdown firsthand, because I was also OSD disaster management as soon as the lockdown started. So I can see, particularly in Bihar, in about 21 lakh people came back to Bihar from trains alone. I mean, all the migrants coming back to their own state of Bihar, the number would be something around 30 to 35 lakhs, out of which we expect that and 75,000 odd children must be there along with them. We have worked overtime to get them in our system, and we are also awake to the fact that there will be huge individual differences in terms of learning. In order to address that, our SCRTs are planning to have short crash courses that we may start from the beginning of the academic year, that is April. As soon as children go to the next class, before teaching them the material of that class, will actually make them undergo a crash course of the previous classes, which we presuppose that most of them must not have learned. So even if for those who have learned, repetition will be of great use. It will be a reinforcement only. So we are doing that, and we have teams as per the guidelines of Ministry of Education, each working for their own verticals like teacher education, higher education, out of school, foundation literacy, numeracy, things like school complexes, complexing or clustering of schools, as it is called in the lingo of MHRD. All those things are being done, but it is a huge tall order, as I said in the beginning. Perhaps it will take not less than a decade to implemented it in full, as is the vision of national new education policy. But few things which are immediate, we are working hard on it, and we hope that we'll succeed. The lockdown has thrown in another challenge, another implementation challenge in the way of new education policy. From a day before yesterday, we opened up our schools 6th and above, and this time, unlike when we had opened for the secondary classes only, this time we see a lot of enthusiasm in teachers and students both. We were happy to see chirpy faces of children coming back to school. We hope that we will be able to implement the new education policy in the right earnest, in its true spirit. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sanjay ji. So once you said that आपके पास 35 lakhs बच्चे, 35 lakh migrant आए, जिनमें 75,000 बच्चों को आपने कैसे संभाला होगा, that I can just, we all can just imagine what would be the task which you are handling, and I'm sure that आपके समय जो आपके पास बहुत अभी लिमिटेड है, तो उसके साथ हम आपको थैंक यू बोलते हैं और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको ज्वाइन करने के लिए. And we will see that what we can do further with Bihar, because there's over these years, this time जब से आपने जुड़े हैं, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि बिहार में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ क्षमता है एजुकेशन में, इंडस्ट्री में करने के लिए. तो फिर आपसे फिर हम करते हैं. तो सुमैया और मेरी तरफ से आपको बहुत है.
मैडम,
थैंक यू सो मच. सुमैया, ओवर टू यू.
मैडम, Sanjay Singh is a very intellectual IAS officer in Bihar.
जी पता है.
उनके लीडरशिप में बिहार सरकार के जो स्कूल हैं,
तभी उन्हीं को बुलाया है ना, इसीलिए. तो और जो अगर वो वहां से आए हैं तो उसके लिए तो संजय जी, जितने भी यहाँ पे आज एजुकेशनिस्ट हैं, उनकी चाहे डॉक्टर CB सिंह हो, चाहे उमा पिथौरा जी, कर्नल प्रकाश जी, सैयद जी, और भी जितने 15 एजुकेशनिस्ट जो हमारे साथ, जो आपने हमें अलाइन किया है, उनके साथ मिलके हम लोगों ने, और जैमिट जो हमें सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, सबने मिलके, और सुमैया की टीम ने मिलके आज हमें कम से कम 1700 प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशंस हुए हैं. और फेसबुक पे तो बाद में हम आपको शेयर करेंगे कितना डेटा लोगों ने देखा है. तो ये सिर्फ आपकी गाइडेंस और आपके वजह से हुआ है. सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर जॉइनिंग.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Singh. We wish you all the best. Like you correctly said, you have a very, very tall order to help Bihar regain its past education glory. We wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.